guys are doing good. In this video I will discuss about benefits of decaf green tea. Its antioxidant effects, ability to boost memory, and help you shed fat are among the health benefits of decaf green tea. In comparison to caffeinated tea, particularly if you are susceptible to caffeine side effects, there are also many advantages to drinking decaf tea. Green tea overview. Green tea comes from a plant called Camellia sinensis, cultivated in mountainous regions of many countries, including China and India, according to Harvard Health Publishing. The leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant are gently steamed to avoid oxidation, in order to prepare green tea. Black tea, though it is prepared differently, often comes from the same plant. The National Institutes of Health (NIH) explains that green tea, which is generally consumed as a beverage or in a dietary supplement, has a medicinal history, dating back thousands of years in China and Japan. Nowadays, green tea is still used for medicinal purposes, to relieve headaches, digestive symptoms or induce weight loss. While there was not much definitive evidence on the effects of green tea, some studies have shown advantages, while other studies have posed safety concerns. They highlight the side effects of decaffeinated green tea. A small amount of people who took green tea supplements reported liver problems, says NIH, and green tea can reduce the effectiveness of nadolol, a beta blocker used for high blood pressure. Decaffeinated green tea benefits. The advantages of decaf green tea have been shown by some research. A January 2015 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, with a limited sample size of 14, found that, relative to the placebo community, those who were given a decaffeinated green tea supplement over a span of 4 weeks had a decrease in body fat. Other studies have detailed the benefits of green tea, both caffeinated and decaffeinated. One March 2018 study in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging, with a small sample size of 20 women, found that decaffeinated green tea extract can enhance the working memory capacity of women between the ages of 50 and 63. The antioxidant effects of green tea that help prevent certain chronic diseases, including cancer, are mentioned in a June 2011 review in Molecular Research and Food Research. These antioxidant effects, according to the report, are mainly attributable to molecules called polyphenols in green tea. Advantages of decaf. First of all, it should be remembered that decaf tea does not actually mean that the tea is free of caffeine altogether. The US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) explains that some caffeine is still present in decaf drinks. An 8-ounce cup of decaf coffee, for instance, might contain up to 15 milligrams of caffeine. For those sensitive to caffeine, it might be best to skip coffee or green tea altogether. If you're moderately sensitive to caffeine, you may find many advantages in drinking decaf tea opposed to caffeinated tea. First and foremost, you wouldn't necessarily experience the same side effects brought about by caffeine, such as nausea, insomnia, the jitters, rapid heart rate, anxiety, and more. You can also avoid the possibility of an overdose of caffeine, which can have serious effects and can lead to death in very serious cases. In addition, highly concentrated caffeine products can pose dangerous health risks, such as dietary supplements. So this was the video. I hope you guys loved it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health benefits.